Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are your little ones looking for some new friends for their bath time? Then check out these adorable little toys from XYWQ. The nice thing about these bath time toys are that they do not have a hole in them, so they are completely sealed up with an epoxy glue, so you do not have to worry about anything growing and getting moldy inside your kiddos' bath toys, so that is a huge plus. Also, these are super adorable. I got these as a gift for my friend for her baby, and honestly, I could probably play with these myself. They are just super cute. They're nice and soft and squishy, easy for toddler hands to play with, and they are the perfect size for little ones. So you get a set of 12. These are the animal and dinosaur theme. So you've got a nice variety of animals and dinosaurs, colors, shapes. So your kids are gonna have an absolute blast playing with these in the bathtub or out of the bathtub. These toys also come in a reusable mesh bag to keep them nice and organized and also let them dry out. So if you're looking for some really cute tub toys, definitely check these out. I think any little one would be really happy to play with these, and that's my point of view.